Okay, so if you're trying to achieve that slick back hairstyle, which right now I don't have, literally haven't touched my hair since I woke up. First, I'm gonna show you how to do it using Tres Flores. It's gonna be a similar process if you're using Suavecito, but this video is gonna be specifically directed towards using Tres Flores. So link in the description for this. Then I'm gonna have the liquid Tres Flores too. I'm gonna show you how to use that too, but that's optional. Then a comb of whatever kind, it's a normal one. So first, obviously, I'm looking pretty bummy right now, so I'm gonna use the wide tooth right here just to kind of clean it up. Sorry, my camera's in a very odd place right now, so I have to like do that. Just kind of gather it like that. Still looks pretty bummy, so now what I'm gonna do is pretty much the best thing you can do for a slick back is honestly, if you do it right after you wash your hair, so right after you get out of the shower. I was actually like at one point in time, I was always I started taking showers in the morning just because I like the outcome of my hair so much. But now I don't really have too much time to do that. So what I'm gonna do right here is either I could fill my sink with water and then dip my head in, fully submerge all my hair, or pretty much just rinse my hair, just grab some hair and grab some water and just, put it on. So that's what I'm gonna do right here. Okay, so now I put some water in my hair. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna comb it out as I would as, let's say you're using the water as the pomade itself or gel. That's pretty much what I'm gonna do. So I'm just gonna comb it back. So now that's looking cool. Still a bit messed up right here and right here, as you can see from, just bedhead. But now we're gonna apply this. So what you wanna do is you wanna grab some, make sure you can see that right here like this, like it's chewing tobacco. Grab some, that's a good amount right there. That's pretty much, this right here should be more than enough, as you can see. That's like almost more than enough. Now, obviously, if you have a lot more hair than I do, then use more, but that's up to you. So, put that on my other hand. And now rub your hands together like you're a supervillain. You got a good amount of it on your hands. Make sure you can see that. Okay, so now it's good. Now I'm gonna go in the other direction. That's pretty much, it's good. Now you just want to wash, this will pull a bit of your hair out. So you want to rinse your hands off after that. You're actually going to want to wash your hands because this stuff is pretty much like Vaseline. If you guys have never used Tres Flores before, it's similar to Vaseline. So you guys want to wash your hands after putting some on. Just remember that Tres Flores is not water soluble such as Suavecito and other pomades. So it's not gonna come off with just water. It's gonna stay there. So, but it'll come off easily if you wash your hair with, your shampoo and whatnot. It'll come off like that. But just with water, just rinsing your hair, it won't come off. So Just keep that in mind. Now, I'm gonna comb it once more. You can see it's all coming together now. And now it's pretty much, it's looking cool. So it's looking cool right there. Now, if you can see right here, there's like a little, it's parting right here. I don't know if you can tell, but that personally bugs me. I've noticed that a lot of people, when I go outside, they don't notice that, but I do notice it. So what I usually do is I'll do something like this. Pull that side down. And now either at this point, I could leave it like that, or I could, when I comb it back after like an hour or two, it'll look better. So the reason I do that is like, if I do decide to leave it like this, it looks a little more intentional, right? So it looks like I did it on purpose. Doesn't look bummy like the first time. And then if I do decide to put it back, that won't be there anymore, because it'll kind of undo the first one. But yeah, that's cool right there. And then now I'm gonna show you guys, excuse me, now I'm gonna show you guys how to apply the, sorry. Now I'm gonna show you guys how to apply the liquid Tres Flores, which is optional. It's really just gonna add a little more shine. And then also, if this is your first time using Tres Flores, then just keep in mind this doesn't have a very strong hold, unlike Suavecito. Suavecito will harden. The only difference between Suavecito and gel and using hair gel is that hair gel is gonna flake. Suavecito's not, but Suavecito still has a pretty good hold. This doesn't have a good hold, so like let's say you wanted to do a pompadour or something like that, that's not gonna work. It's really only gonna be good for a slick back. You could probably do a comb over too. I mean, but yeah. But yeah, I just wanted to make this video because I remember when I was first growing out my hair, there was really no good videos on it. But this is more of a video for beginners, just, you know, showing you what I do on a daily to get my hair to look like this. So we got the Tres Flores, the liquid. I'm gonna pour some of this in my hand. Not a lot. Now what this is gonna do is gonna add more of a shine, just a little more. So I'm gonna rub it just like I did the first time. I'm gonna apply that. Sorry, I know I keep blocking the camera. I'm in a very odd like position right now. But so this, I'm not gonna go in every direction. I'm just gonna apply it like that. Then we should be good. So now I'm gonna do a comb once more. This definitely makes, if you're trying to get like maximum, if you're trying to max out your slick back, you definitely need that liquid Tres Flores. Cause that just like gives you that, it really gives you that greaser look. It looks like you put motor oil in your hair or something. It's crazy. And then right here, I could still see this. It's kind of parted right here, so I'm gonna do the same thing. Now, I think I'm gonna just comb this part back because I'm not really worried about it today. Nah, you know what? I think I'm gonna do a little more right here. So that's cool too, you know, if you want to like throw whatever spin you can to it, like what I did right here. It's a cool, you know, it's a cool little, looks different, you know, have a different style. But then probably in a couple hours, I'll probably comb it back or leave it. I don't know, in case, you know, maybe I'll just forget. But yeah. Said I was gonna make this video and I finally did. And then this bottle, you definitely want to rinse it off because sometimes that stuff leaks. So you don't want some liquid like that getting everywhere. You want to make sure it's all clean. Just make sure you're always washing your hands. Make sure you're not getting extra loose hair like back in here. You always want to keep that stuff clean because sometimes you'll do your hair and then you'll pull some out and then you'll go back to grab some more and then you'll leave more hair in there. You want to make sure you don't do that. And yeah, that's about it. If you guys have any questions, leave it in the comment section, or if you have a video recommendation, you know, that you, because I just got recommended, like for example, I just got recommended, oh, I would like to see some workout videos from you. I'm like, okay, bet, because I know I put on 25 pounds in like the last year. For example, you know, I'm gonna be doing this video. I showed you guys how to use Tres Flores. I'll probably do another one of these showing you how to use Suavecito with a combination of Tres Flores of the liquid, which is like, it's a strange combination. I'm pretty sure nobody's ever like put it out there like that, so I'll be the first to do that. But yeah, so if you enjoyed, I would greatly appreciate it if you could comment, like, and subscribe. It's gonna help, you know, it's gonna let the algorithm know to push this video out, so I would really appreciate it. But other than that, yeah, thank you for watching. God bless you guys.